just don't get this. Why is it so hard? Oh no, my science project is due tomorrow. What should I make?
Don't worry, Ben. We'll figure it out together.
What is a science project, Ben? It's where you make a volcano explode. See? It is a school project to show how nature works. Lily. Wow, that's amazing. Do you have an idea for your project, Ben? No, I don't know what to draw.
Let's try something new. How about this idea?
No, Mom. I want to make something exciting, but I don't know how.
I have a great idea. Let's build a volcano model.
A volcano? A real erupting volcano, Dad?
Yes! A mini volcano that erupts with red lava.
Wow, lava! Boom, boom! I want to help too.
Great idea. Let's work together as a team.
First, let's write down a list of what we need.
We need an empty plastic bottle, some clay, and paint.
And for the science magic, we need baking soda, vinegar, and red food coloring from the kitchen.
Ha ha ha! The list is ready. Let's gather the materials.
Ah, here it is. Perfect. This bottle will be the middle of our volcano.
All right, time for the volcano science experiment. This is baking soda, and this is white vinegar.
Where is it? Aha! Yay! I found the clay. It feels like soft mud. Look, we have green, brown, black, and red paint.
All right, who's ready for some fun?
Yes, me. Let's play.
Let's cover the table first to keep it clean.
No messy table today. One small brush, one big brush. Now we're ready.
The red color will make the lava look real.
The empty plastic bottle is the center. Now we put clay around it.
Time to make a long snake. Ooh, look, it's getting longer. Wow, it's a super long snake.
We start from the bottom. It is a wide base.
I am squishing the clay. It is warm and soft.
Good job, Lily. Now smooth it out with your fingers.
Okay, Mary.
Perfect. Now let's add some more over here.
Wow, look at it go! It's so big! I made a mountain. Almost there. Just a little more smoothing. Yes. Perfect. Wow. It looks like a real mountain now. My hands are very brown from the clay.
That's okay, little scientist. Now we wait for it to dry.
Time to paint our volcano mountain paw! Time to make this mountain brown. Swish! Swish! Here we go. Look at that! Painting is so much fun. I'm making it look like a forest, Tom.
That's a great idea, Lily. It looks perfect. I think that's just perfect. I'm really happy with how this turned out. These black lines are cracks in the volcano rocks.
The ground around the volcano is a nice green valley.
Our volcano looks so beautiful, Ben. Yes, it does, Lily.
Now for the best part. The science experiment.
Oh! Let's make the lava!
Time to get baking with this trusty box. Okay, let's add 3 big spoons. 1, 2, and 3. Perfect.
Look,
You got it. It's at the bottom now.
the baking soda is at the bottom of the volcano now. Perfect. Now for the vinegar.
Here's the red food coloring, Lily.
Thank you, Mary. Now we can make it pink.
That's right. Ready to start? Lily, squeeze 5 drops of red color inside.
Okay, Mary, here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops. It's red inside now.
Are you ready, team? This is the secret chemical reaction.
Ready, Dad. Pour the vinegar.
All right, time for the eruption. Wish me luck. Here goes nothing.
Ah! Look, look! The lava is flowing. It's erupting. Ah! Wow! Red bubbles. The volcano is alive.
Awesome! Yeah, we did it!
Baking soda plus vinegar equals awesome lava. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. My science project is going to be the best. Look, I have a lava nose.
That was the funniest thing I've heard all week.
Look at his face. Mommy, do it again.
Ah, I love laughing with you guys.
Science is fun when we do it together. See you next time. Goodbye.